Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing trim and badges. This reduces overspray and keeps edges clean. Once done, degrease every panel with a wax and grease remover because contaminants ruin adhesion. Then sand to 320 grit where old paint remains and feather edges to create a uniform profile. Use a dual-action sander for speed. Make sure to mask glass, seams, and suspension openings with 3M tape and paper. Label parts as you remove them, so reassembly is fast and error-free. This saves time later. Next, address surface defects. Mix and apply body filler to low spots because a flat substrate makes paint look factory fresh. Once cured, block sand progressively from coarse to fine. This evens contours. Then apply an epoxy primer in 2 to 3 light coats. Prime bonds and prevents corrosion, so don't skimp. Flash between coats for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow full cure per product directions. Finally, wet sand the primer to 400-600 grit. Remove sanding dust with a tack cloth and inspect. Now apply the base coat. Use 2 to 4 wet coats, holding the gun 6 to 8 inches away and overlapping each pass by 50 to 70% so coverage is uniform. Once base is even and dry to the touch, apply 2 to 3 coats of clear coat. Flash between layers and bake if you have a heater to accelerate cure. After full cure, wet sand at 1,500-2,000 grit to remove orange peel and then buff to gloss. If you see runs, sand the defect smooth, rehaze the area and re-clear that panel. This fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.